One form of a line that you may not be familiar with is point slope form, and that looks like y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So in this case, the line still has a slope equal to m, and then it passes through the point x sub 1 comma y sub 1. So this is very easy. When you're given a point and a slope, you just plug in those two pieces. So if we have a slope of 1/2 and it passes through the point 7, negative 2, that would give us y minus, the y coordinate is negative 2, so that will actually turn to a plus 2, and then equals the slope, which is 1/2, times x minus our x coordinate is 7, and you're done. So if you'd like to convert that to slope-intercept form, all you need to do is, again, get that into y equals. So first thing we would do is move the 2 to the other side, making it a negative 2 by subtraction. And then we're going to need to distribute the 1/2. So 1/2 x minus 7/2 minus 2. And then combine our negative 7/2 and negative 2. That would be 4/2, giving us negative 11/2. So now we know a little bit more about our line. We know that it has a y-intercept of negative 11/2. And then we can also go back to general form. And so if we start with our solution from putting it into slope-intercept form, the first thing we can do is multiply it by 2 to get rid of the fractions. That will be 2y equals x minus 11. And then you want to put all the variables on one side and leave all your plain numbers on the other. So if I move x over to the left, I'd have to subtract it. So negative x plus 2y equals negative 11. That would put us back in general form.